Hi, I'm Graham. I'm an engineer on the AutoCoder team, and in this tutorial I'll show you how AutoCoder.cc helps you turn a simple idea into a real app, and more importantly, how you can easily edit and improve your app without coding. We'll go step by step, so first how your idea becomes a plan, then how your app is generated, how you can change it using the chat, and finally how you can edit it visually through a design tool. All right, let's begin. When you type an idea into AutoCoder.cc, it doesn't build the app immediately. First, it creates a requirement list. Think of this like a plan or a blueprint of your app. It shows what pages your app will need, what features it will include, and a breakdown of how everything's going to be organized. You can see this plan on the screen. If it looks good, just click Generate Demo. AutoCoder also works for different types of apps, so you can do websites, mobile apps, or backend systems. And importantly, you can design multi-role systems where different users interact with the same product in different ways based on permissions and responsibilities. So after generation, you're going to get a working version of your app called a demo. Here, you can switch between website views, mobile views, and backend views. So this helps you see how your app looks in different situations. There's also something called the controller, and the controller simply shows all the pages in your app. It's this kind of blueprint. If you add or remove a page, it updates automatically, so you always know how your app is structured. Now comes one of the easiest parts. You can change your app just by typing messages. For example, you can say add an About Us page, and AutoCoder will create the page, add it to the menu, update everything automatically. You can also add pages, delete pages, change layout, add new features. No coding needed, just describe what you want. Next is visual editing. This means you can click on anything in your app and change it directly. For example, you can click on text and change the words, change the font or color. For images, you can upload a new image or replace the current one. You can click buttons and change the color. You can make them sharper, rounder, adjust the style however you want. You can also adjust spacing and layout by dragging or using sliders. Everything updates instantly on the screen. When you're done, just click Save. AutoCoder.cc also keeps a history of your changes. Think of it like an undo system for your whole app. If anything goes wrong, you can go back to an earlier version with one click. You can also mark important versions like first working draft, final design, or product launch version. This helps you stay organized and safe while building.